Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the petals stitch. So it's a beautiful lacy sort of shell stitch. All right, let's get started. For the materials that I'm using Lion Brand's Scarfie. This is their teal and cream color. It is category 5, bulky weight yarn. I am going to start with a slip knot. So you want to chain in multiples of 8 plus 2. I'm going to chain 26 for this sample. That's in multiples of 8 plus 2. Row 1, we are going to start with the second chain from the hook. Here's the first chain and here's the second chain. We're going to work 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. For the repeat, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to skip 3 stitches, and then into the 4th stitch, we're going to work 4 treble crochet stitches, all in the same stitch. So we're skipping 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, that's your first treble. We're going to work 3 more trebles in that same stitch. Feel free to pause or slow down the video if you need. There's 4 treble crochet stitches. We're going to chain 2, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in the next. So the repeat will be chain 2, skip 3, 4 trebles in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 3, 1 single crochet in the next. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 3, 1 single crochet in the next. This will be my last set. Chain 2, skip 3, 4 treble crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, into the last stitch, 1 single crochet. We're ready for row 2. Chain 1, turn your work into the same stitch, 1 single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now in the 4 treble crochet stitches, you're going to work into the second treble crochet stitch. So we're skipping the chain 2, skipping the next treble, and then into the second treble, we're going to work 1 single crochet. Chain 3. So the repeat is 1 single crochet into the next single crochet stitch down here. chain 3, 1 single crochet into the second treble crochet stitch here, chain 3, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet in the second treble. So here at the end we're going to chain 3 and then work 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So right here is your first single crochet stitch from the first row, row 3, chain 4 and turn. The chain 4 counts as a treble crochet stitch. Into the same stitch we're going to work 1 treble crochet stitch. So the repeat is going to be chain 2, 1 single crochet in the single crochet stitch here, chain 2, 4 treble crochets into the single crochet here, and then you repeat that all the way across until you get to this last stitch. You'll work 3 treble crochet stitches. Now if you're catching up on Netflix and get distracted and lose track of where you are in the pattern, just remember that if you see 2 single crochets here, you always want to work your trebles. And where you see the single crochet on top of the treble stitches, you just work 1 single crochet. Chain 2, 1 single crochet in the single crochet stitch, chain 2, 4 treble crochet stitches in the next single crochet stitch, I'm getting close to the end. I'm going to work my 1 single crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Okay, chain 2, and then into the last single crochet stitch you're going to work 3 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Row 4, you're going to chain 1 and turn into the same stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet stitch, chain 3, just like the second row that we worked, you want to work 1 single crochet into the second treble crochet stitch here, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet stitch, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the treble, it's the second treble, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet stitch, chain 3. So the last single crochet is worked into the turning chain. If you have trouble going through the 4th chain, you can just work right into the space. So right here into the top of the turning chain, work 1 single crochet. Row 5, chain 1 and turn. Into this same single crochet stitch, work 1 single crochet. Chain 2. Right here where you see 2 single crochet stitches, you're going to work your cluster of 4 treble crochet stitches. Chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet stitch, chain 2, 4 treble crochets in the next single crochet stitch. Chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next single crochet stitch, chain 2, 4 trebles in the next single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the last single crochet stitch. So that is going to be your repeat. You're going to repeat rows 2 through 5 until you're happy with your size, and after rows 3 or rows 5. So I repeated rows 2 through 5 a few more times, and if you want your end to match the beginning, I would recommend that you end after you complete rows 3 or rows 5, which is the row that has the treble stitches. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.